Hi, I'm Rob Brady, and I'm here to welcome you to ROBRADY Design.
Hello, I'm Eric Holman, Senior Industrial Designer at the studio.
I'm Dave Poria, Senior Mechanical Designer at ROBRADY Design Studio.
We're going to walk you through the industrial design of the dbO bike.
From the beginning, we recognized the potential that the folding mechanism itself had in becoming the focal point of the overall design. And this approach really is a celebration of the folding bike.
Early in the mechanical design process, we established the base geometry for the bike, determined the tire size, the appropriate wheelbase, crank location. We specified the best seat and handlebar positioning, and we determined the amount of adjustment we feel is optimum for these features. For this product, we wanted to develop a bike designed for people who desire a quality commuting pedal bike, a bike with a very efficient, comfortable ride, and of course, a bike with the added benefit of electric power. Using this geometry structure as our base, we considered various folding options, studying what has been done in the industry, reviewing elements of existing designs we felt have come close to achieving the user's needs, and identifying those features and functions that are missing, features that would give the user experience more value, such as a folded position that works well with the need to easily transport the bike. And we came to the conclusion early in the process that it was a key element to provide a rolling function to the user for this purpose.
The design of the bike in its folded form has always been a big part of the overall challenge. So you can see one of the iconic elements, those split travel handles. When they come together in the folded form, it really offers an aesthetic, bringing back that iconic element and putting the bike together in transformed mode, and also offers a functional aspect as well, putting that handle in an ergonomically desirable location. One of the more unique aspects of the design revolved around the packaging of the battery itself and how it utilizes the space of the large central pivot. For non-electric versions of the bike, this space could also be utilized as storage or possible location of an integrated water bottle, for example. We're really excited to see how well DK's cylindrical battery pack fit into this area. But of course, this is probably one of the tightest spots in the bike, so we had to spend a good amount of time dialing in this area and starting to talk about all the electronics that were going to go into the bike in the final approach. Of course, packaging the battery, you've only got a certain amount of space in between the cranks, so it started to get really tight after a while, but everybody was confident that pulled this off in the location. A producible solution here would really give even more technological value to the bike's central theme, and we love the fact that the battery itself is celebrated in its presentation on the bike and is really purposefully located, proving again that its uniqueness among its competition.
In the end, the bike must prove to be bold, clean, and innovatively simple to use. That's the ROBRADY signature. When looking at the folding sequence here, the final position can be easily determined by the breakup of parts in the riding configuration. Now overall, there is no mistaking this as a folding bike, and at the studio we often say there are some elements you should be able to see from space, and this is a great example of that. We've been excited to see such a progressive approach to the dbO build, with DK incorporating state-of-the-art manufacturing processes that will deliver a bike of superior craftsmanship. Even more exciting is the developments and hard work taking place with the rest of the dbO bike line. Each design sharing the same unique attributes that will make these bikes stand out in the industry. It has been fantastic to watch DK take the ROBRADY designs to production with such passion and such energy. As designers, we can't wait for our next collaboration.